Hello my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a full fall makeup tutorial, and without further ado, let's get into it. As usual, I've moisturized my face with my favorite Olay Complete Moisturizer with SPF 15. If you have oily skin, this is a secret you need in your life. I've primed my face with the L'Oreal Glow Lock Face Primer, and today I will be using the NYX Sculpt and Highlight Brow Contour Pencil in the shade Golden Peach Black. For my eyeshadow base, I'm using the Covergirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the shade Perfect Beige M900. This is one of the concealers which I absolutely love just because of the coverage it provides and lasts the whole day without creasing. The eyeshadow palette which I'm using today is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Palette Volume Number 2, and I'm using the fall colors today. Like I said, during the season, if you use bright makeup or light, it flows fine. And for this eyeshadow look, I'm using the shades No Joke, it's Bright Yellow, Perfectionist, Light Brown Tone, Feeling Myself, it's an orange tone, and My Man, Bright Orange Tone. I had heard a lot about this palette, and trust me, it's amazing. It's super pigmented and has all the bright, beautiful colors. And if you're one of those babes who love the bright, beautiful colors, this is something you would want to invest in. For eyeliner, I'm using the High Precision Black Eyeliner from Sephora, and for foundation, I will be using my new favorite, NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Neutral Tan. I have always had oily skin, and this causes a lot of breakouts, so I am very picky with the foundation or any kind of makeup product I use on my face, and I am loving this foundation. If you're someone like me with oily skin and you're trying to look for a foundation which works for your skin, try giving a shot to this foundation and I'm sure you'll love it. To highlight the high points of my face, I'm using the Covergirl True Blend Concealer, and I'm just dabbing the product on my skin with the Beauty Blender for the flawless finish look. To contour my face and nose, I'm using the NYX California Beaming Bronzer, and this is in the shade the Golden One, and this bronzer is super pigmented, so make sure you dab the brush to your skin on your hand just to remove the extra product off the brush before you're applying it on your face. For me personally, I feel like I apply the bronzer to contour my face easily compared to the cream contour, and the trick is to blend. And in order to create that shadow on your face to make it look skinny, I know, to make it look skinny. So just blend until you're happy with the final look. To highlight my cheekbones and nose, I'm using the NYX High Gloss Illuminating Powder in the shade Moon Glow, And for my lips, I'm using my favorite matte lipstick line, a number 12 Loved from Milani. And this is a very beautiful, beautiful pinkish nudish color, which I absolutely love with this fall makeup look. To set my face, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Banana Setting Powder and their Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And that's the look, my loves. If you love the content I create, show some love. Like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching.